Quick and simple. Paneer Bhurji recipe. Ingredients: 200 grams paneer, cottage cheese, 1 onion, finely chopped, 1 tomato, finely chopped, 1 to 2 green chilies, chopped, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, half a teaspoon red chili powder, half a teaspoon garam masala, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons oil, fresh coriander leaves for garnish. Step 1. Crumble the paneer. Grate or crumble the paneer into small pieces and set aside. Step 2. Prepare the vegetables. Heat oil in a pan and add chopped onions and green chilies. Sauté until the onions turn golden brown. Step 3. Cook the tomatoes. Add chopped tomatoes to the pan and cook until they soften. Then, add the turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt. Step 4. Add the paneer. Add the crumbled paneer to the pan, mix well, and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Sprinkle garam masala and mix again. Step 5. Garnish and serve. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Serve with hot roti, paratha, or rice. Now fresh and delicious Paneer Bhurji is ready to relish. Enjoy the delicious Paneer Bhurji. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel.